Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Shivani and this is my channel where I create beauty and skincare contents for all of you. Today I'm going to take this supremely talked about 10 minutes makeup challenge. Although nobody really challenged me, I just took it up on myself because I wanted to see how far can I really get with makeup. To be very honest, even on a day-to-day basis, I don't think I take more than 10 to 15 minutes to get ready. But just the word challenge and this pressure of being able to do it in exactly 10 minutes is what it really makes it difficult, but I think I can pull it off. You know, I've been doing it, I can do it. So anxious, but yeah, let's do it together. But before that, do take a moment to please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification button so that you guys do not miss out on anything that I put out. Now, without wasting a single moment, let me quickly take you to the most anxious 10 minutes of my life. Okay, so I've already prepped my face. That is, I've already put the toner, the serum, the moisturizer. Now I'm quickly going to start. Stressful, but I think I can do it. I'm just going to set the 10 minutes timer and just start. Okay. Okay, quickly. Okay. I'll apply the foundation. This is L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Hours Matte Cover Foundation. Oh shit. It's okay, I stained my bed sheet. That's okay. I have a guest here, but we are not getting intimidated because we are not going to pay attention. Beauty sponge. I can do it. You know what is going to take the maximum time? My eyebrows. I'm 100% sure about it. Okay. I'll try and not really edit this video so much so that you guys can see the reality, see the blending part of it. Okay. What? 2 minutes down already? Okay. I can do this. Concealer. This is again Maybelline. Not again. This is Maybelline. That was L'Oreal. Quickly. I can do this. Okay, cool. Let me just set the powder brush. Fit Me. This is loose powder, light shade. Now I'll do the 6 minutes. Where is my spoolie? I can't find the spoolie. Chuck it. I think I'm just going to do the cake. Use a cake to set my brows because I think the pencil takes longer. Oh my goodness, please let me just do this. I'm shivering. My legs are shivering. It's okay. Cool, relax. Where did my spoolie go? So stressful. My so much. I'm sure this is going to take a lot of time, but I don't have so much time. I think this is okay. Chuck it. Okay, now I have to do my eyes. My eyes. For my eyes. Relax. Okay. For my eyes. What am I going to do for my eyes? I'm just going to use the bronzer. I'm going to use the bronzer. Wait, let me first. No, the contour powder. I'm going to use the contour powder. This isn't a bronzer. This is a contour powder. I'm going to take the same contour powder and contour my nose. Shit, I'm shaking and all. Okay. This is okay. I'll just take the contour brush and do some contouring as well. Like very less. Don't have time. I'm not even seeing the timer. Giving me stress. Okay, now shit, I just have 2 minutes. I'll just take the blush and I'll just put it on the inner corners of my eyes. This is what I do when I don't have time. Just take some and put on the lower lids as well. I think I can do this. I really think I can do this. I may look like a monkey, but I can do this. My mascara. My hair is wet and in a mess, but that's okay. We'll give some more time for my hair. This is the makeup challenge, not the hair challenge. Oh my god. I think I did it. 1 minute! Blush. I'm done. I'm almost done. Having a product that does multiple jobs, like everything in one product, really helps, I think. Some highlighter, just here. And here. I don't have the time to line my lips. 23 seconds. I have to wear the lipstick. I'm done. 8 seconds remaining. 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. I did it! Oh my goodness, I did it! This is good, right? I think I did it. Wow. Proud of myself. I can really do my makeup in 10 minutes. So when I say I'll be out in 15 minutes, I'm not lying. I can really do it. I can do like a full face makeup and step out in 10 minutes. This is good. Great. Now that I'm off pressure of doing it in 10 minutes, let me just blend my blush properly. Oh my god, this was so stressful. Okay guys, I did it in 10 minutes. I'm so proud of myself because somewhere I had doubts, somewhere I was really doubting myself if I will be able to really pull it off in 10 minutes because when you are filming it, you are also talking a lot, you're also trying to do it like really perfectly, and there is this pressure that you have to do it in 10 minutes. But I did it. I usually do it actually. I think it was just the pressure that was making me anxious. But I did it and I'm ready to step out like this. This is good. I really like my makeup. I hope you guys also like it, and I hope you guys had fun watching me do this because I surely had a lot of fun. Very anxious, but yeah, a lot of fun doing this. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love.